Now next question would be how to protect your invention. Results obtained from research, development or innovation projects by companies of any size or by public research organization could be counterfeited by competitors if the IP rights are not protected. Hence, it is therefore crucial to use all means of intellectual property protection available in order to make sure that the company or the public research organization concerned can keep its competitive advantage and its competitiveness. It is also a way of increasing company's value. Therefore, the IPR could be protected by various ways according to the invention such as patent, trademark, design, copyright, etc. So the diagram below describes how to protect your invention. That is, the intellectual property right is of two types: industrial property and literary and artistic property. Under industrial property, the intellectual property rights are patents, trademark, design. Under literary and artistic property, it's copyright and other related rights. As our core topic is patent search, we shall concentrate in deep on patents. Hence, before moving into the patent search, one should know what is a patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted by a government to an individual or an organization for a limited amount of time, that is of about 20 years from the date of filing. The right thus granted exclude others from making, using or selling the invention or products made by an invented process. In Latin word, patent is pater, which means to lay open, that is, make available for the public inspection. So now getting into the core topic, patent search. When do I need the prior art information? So when do one need to carry out the patent search? That is, the reasons could be many, such as before starting your research, during the course of your research, before exploiting a product or process, before filing patent, during technology landscape studies for devising IP strategy, at last while carrying out the opposition or revocation procedures. Next question would be, what is the importance of the patent search? That is, why to conduct a patent search? One has to be aware that patents are rich source of technical information and the reasons for performing the patent search are various. The most obvious reason is to determine whether or not one can get a patent or if one's invention has already been patented. Other reasons include getting a general idea of how a patent is structured to help in preparation of your own application, learn more about a new field, for market information, competitor tracking and technology tracking. And it has to be noted that patents serve as the major source of prior art information. So what are the reasons that patents are the major source of prior art information? Patent documents contain information which you will not find elsewhere. That is, patent documents would describe invention in such a way that persons skilled in the art can reproduce them. That is, insufficient disclosure can result in the rejection of patent application. Therefore, these documents will contain detailed information which you will not find in classic scientific publication. Next reason is that patent documents are easily accessible. Today, many patent databases are available freely on the internet. Patent offices worldwide have agreed on publication standards and the sharing of their publications, resulting in global, well-structured databases. Patent data is also classified according to a universally accepted scheme, subdividing the technical fields into very fine subdomains. Classic scientific publications, on the other hand, originate from many sources and do not respect public standards as patents do. Next point is that patent information is up to date. Most companies prefer not to disclose their research results for obvious competitive reasons. But if a company wants to obtain exclusive rights on its invention, it must file a patent application that will eventually be published and made available to the public. This explains why patents are often the first publication on a given invention and are therefore a up-to-date source of